So now we're going to have a look at where our pictures are saved that we have taken with the Read Desk software. So this is kind of the scenario where now we're having a look at our homework or studying and accessing the information that we collected in the classroom. So we can open our files here generally, and we have our standard Windows files here with documents and downloads and pictures. If we go into pictures, there's a folder called Read Desk, and then we have all the pictures that we've taken by date, and the last one is going to be the most recent one, that's today. And here are the pictures that we've taken. So we can just open one of these and it will open it like a picture, and we can zoom in and have a look at the pictures that we took, or we can open it in a program like Paint 3D. And as our Mercury 13 education system comes with a stylus, we could actually zoom in and write on our or annotate our pictures. And then we could save that. We could email it to our tutor. We could print it. We could also, we also saved some text. So we can go into our documents folder and again, Read Desk text. We just changed the view there. So we have a folder called Read Desk text. And in here, again, the last one is going to be what I saved earlier, and I can zoom in on this. It just opens in Notepad because it's a text file, and if I wanted to, I could type in some answers to the questions if it was a worksheet or some notes on the information that I've collected in the classroom.